He's just sucking your gut.
Okay.
What are you gonna do? Yes, I can do this someday. So we're gonna go get Leo's truck, grand reveal. I don't know which truck you're talking about.
I didn't even know he had a truck.
So I'll ask him right now.
What are we gonna do?
You, if I can. Just kidding.
Definitely.
We're gonna go pick up my truck. So we'll see how it turned out.
Are we gonna go on the low end?
Can we blindfold you?
Can we go on the low end, please?
Do you need a driver?
So what did they do to it?
Put a lift kit on it. It made it more badass. Top's badass.
Why'd you put it on?
I think I pulled his eye out.
You weren't even recording.
You can dump that flat all the way down. Driving down the road, you'll feel go whoop, and all of a sudden it smooths out. We undercoated all the stuff that we could find. All of this frame that was there, we undercoated all of that stuff, all the differentials, all of that stuff that didn't have any of that stock undercoat on there. We undercoated the frame, everything underneath, all the front differential, steering, tie rods, all of that stuff is all undercoated now.
That's badass, man. Turned out sick.
Yes, sir.
Badass, man. Appreciate it, man. That's badass.
Now where are you going? We can do it. We're excited. It's a badass project.
How it was.
Tops knives. Rolling in style. Let me know how it rides when you get back. Am I taking this one? Yeah. Yeah, you're taking this one back.
Go ahead, guys.
See ya.
Good. Well, big shout out to Rosenberg Automotive. Matt, thanks, man. Thanks for pulling that off. Putting this lift kit on the Dodge. Pretty much the truck we used to roll around. So, Matt, appreciate it, man.